I want ChatGPT to use the data analyst to actually predict the sales in the next quarter. And so here is a prompt that I prepared to do that. And this is already a bit more complex in terms of analytical approach. So here I try to formulate a more extensive prompt. Yeah, so I start in the same way, saying you're an experienced data analyst. The database provides data on sales for different quarters. But I'm actually now here giving some additional information on what the meaning is of specific variables. Yeah? So we have the column December 23, and here I explain what this column exactly represents, and the same for the column March 24. So in this way, I want to give it a good understanding about what each variable means. Then, of course, I ask it to predict the customer sales in the third quarter of 2025, based on the time frame that is present in the data. Here, I then explicitly ask it to use different statistical approaches to create such a prediction. It needs to carefully compare these approaches and make a selection of what it sees as the best approach. And I ask it to explicitly report the final approach that has been decided upon, and I wanted to create some visuals that illustrate the prediction. Yeah, so here I try to apply all these kind of best practices. And as mentioned, this is already a bit more complex. So here I might actually use the O3 reasoning model. So now let's press enter. And then again, it will start analyzing our database. And this will actually now take even a bit longer, because now indeed it will do some thinking, and meaning it will generate different steps to execute the task that I have instructed to the model. So now we will have to wait a bit to see the final result.